Jim, today is Thursday, December 26th. Welcome to another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis with Professor Cage, and I am here to guide you, give you crypto wisdom every single day, despite of anything. I know that past 2 days they have been absolutely crazy for me. So much going on altogether. So I'm back. I'm back with a banger. So yeah, here we go. As you can see, आज आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे I have this image जो कि आपको बता रहा है डेली एनालिसिस एपिसोड्स जो मैं अभी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ इनका स्ट्रक्चर बेसिकली किस तरीके से होगा. सबसे पहले we're gonna have market outlook कि मार्केट में प्रीवियस डे क्या हुआ है, what is the whole market looking like in the current moment. Then we're gonna do market analysis जिसमें we go through whole bunch of things such as macroeconomical information, cycle valuation, fundamental indicators, some technical indicators, and there are a lot of other things जिनको देख के we try to make and guess the best probabilities कि market में क्या हो सकता है and how to prepare yourself. Then we're gonna go into some technicality. So as you know कि मेरी approach बिल्कुल different है. I operate over a very larger time horizon and with proper mathematical driven strategies. So मेरे लिए technical analysis is not at all important in any way. लेकिन still I'm gonna do it a little bit for you because I know how it works, and even my technical analysis is like completely different from what you will see on YouTube or other people drawing lines on the chart. Then I'm gonna give you a recommendation कि आपको अभी क्या करना चाहिए. Then I'm gonna tell you where your focus should be. Market के किस area में your focus should be. So without any further wait, let's get straight into it. सबसे पहले outlook. What do we have over the Christmas? Bitcoin rallied up into 99.3 and I was so clear it actually went up to 99.88. So I was so clear. मैंने अपनी I think सेकंड लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था कि देयर इज नो वे कि बिटकॉइन फ्राइडे से पहले 100K से अबव जाएगा. आई टोल्ड यू मैं देयर आर वेरी फ्यू थिंग्स जो कि मैं कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलता हूँ एंड आई गेव यू जैसे मैंने आपको यहां पे बताया था कि इफ बिटकॉइन मूव्स अप टू 109 एरिया इट इज गोइंग टू गो डाउन, और उसने एग्जैक्टली मेरा स्क्विगल फॉलो किया था. इट इज नॉट लाइक आई हैव सम क्रिस्टल बॉल. इट इज लाइक फॉर्मिंग द बेस्ट प्रोबेबिलिटीज लुकिंग एट द डाटा. और अगर आपको भी ये करना है तो स्टिक अराउंड फॉर द होल एनालिसिस. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मैं जिन चीजों को देख रहा हूं वो क्यों देख रहा हूं, उनसे मैं क्या डिडक्ट कर रहा हूं एंड हाउ टू एग्रीगेट ऑल ऑफ देम टुगेदर. So, moreover, सबसे पहले मैं आपको ये बता दूं, if I see my, yep, here we go, my Instagram username, it is right here. As you can see, if you want to join my masterclass, जहां पे I teach you the everything, and like literally, जो आप अंदाजा भी नहीं लगा सकते, जो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते, वो मेथड्स, वो टेक्निक्स, आपकी सिस्टम डेवलपमेंट, हाउ टू डेवलप योर ऑन सिस्टम्स, ताकि आपको लेस कंप्लेक्सिटी के साथ यू कैन मेक मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ गेन्स उस तरीके से जैसे एलीट्स ट्रेड करते हैं, जैसे एलीट्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज पीपल जो कि एक बहुत हायर लेवल पे अप्रोच करे मार्केट को, हाउ दे ट्रेड. सो DM me on Instagram. This is my username and you can enroll into my masterclass जहां पे मैं डेली बेसिस पे बाय द वे सभी सिग्नल्स भी प्रोवाइड करता हूं. सो एनीवेज, now moving back, that I told you Bitcoin is not gonna break 100K before Friday. That was because of the biggest OPEX on Friday, which is sitting on the 100K options expiry. So I knew this was going to happen, और मैं बहुत देर से वैसे भी ये कह रहा था कि it is going to happen something like this when Bitcoin is gonna move up and going to compel everyone into believing that something like this is going to happen, because this is very classic, absolutely classic. That this is what traps everyone. If I can get my pen, this is what traps everyone. That everyone thinks that this is going to be something like this every single time, every single time, every single where. अगर आप यहां पे देखो, this मैं एग्जैक्टली यहां पे था And I know people were saying it is gonna go exactly like this, and boom, crashed. Even because they sometimes see things moving like this, and उनका brain इस तरीके से train हो जाता है कि it is going to repeat and repeat and repeat. Even here, already, here, people were like, oh, it's gonna go like this. And then here, people were like, oh, it is gonna go like this. It is gonna go like this because it is going like this. And boom, bear market. So classic market behavior. मैं आपको काफी देर से ये बता रहा हूँ कि market is in a mean reverting market state. So हम trending period में नहीं, like when you are moving up, this is called trending, and when you are not moving up, it is called well, I would say semi mean reverting. In very simple words, mean reverting मेरा खुद का एक bias ये है कि market is never mean reverting, but it is having trending periods within the trending periods, and then there are periods जहाँ पे market is not trending. Okay, so market is trending and mean reverting in a very लार्जर टाइम होराइजन. बट ये सब वो चीजें जो आपको मेरे मास्टर क्लास के लेसन्स रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स लेने के बाद समझ आ जाएगी. एनीवेज, सो या, again compelling people that it is gonna go something like this, and then crashing them again, losing all the gains क्योंकि लोग ये कह रहे थे कि oh, Bitcoin dominance is gonna move up. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance was rising through this phase, and people were like, oh, that is it. Or it is funny कि मैं personally अपने एनालिसिस को टेस्ट करने के लिए आई वेंट ऑन द यूट्यूब एंड आई चेक्ड कि बाकी सब लोग क्या कह रहे थे. एवरीवन वाज लाइक, एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, दे वर लाइक बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस, बिट ओ कम ऑन, बिटकॉइन डोमिनेंस broken out, broken down, or it is going down alt season. मैं कह रहा था आपको यहाँ पे no, 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 there is no alt season. Do not expect the alt season. Then it moved up, और मैंने कहा था exactly कि it is going to recover, and then it crashed a little, and then people were like कि alt season, alt season, alt season, and I was the one जो कि ये कह रहा था कि no, don't expect it. Don't expect just because we have a couple of days of Bitcoin dominance reduction, and uske baad still it is going up. Who knows if it is going to chop around something like this going further? No one knows. It is only time that will tell what is going to happen. So again, market works on probabilities, और probabilities के लिए we look at data, और हम data में अभी जाएंगे जिससे कि हम further probabilities find करेंगे. लेकिन उससे पहले we're gonna go into some other assets to see what is going on. Ethereum moved up and had a sharp pullback again. Nothing was very interesting there. And as you can see, Solana looking very bad. Very bad. Now, after moving up, showing a little bit of strength, जो कि हम सोल BTC ratio में भी देख सकते हैं. 2 दिन की strength थी, and now it is moving down again. Although it is still trying to hold up, somewhere here. But you know, like it is going to be very choppy for Sol Bitcoin and Sol ETH ratio as well. But this is a place where you can expect it to chop around, it to continue to chop around somewhere here and do some sort of thing and be very choppy, जो कि हम वैसे भी guess कर रहे हैं from many days. I'm covering all of this. Then Sui, which is despite of it being very strong against Bitcoin, Solana, and Ethereum, now is the time jab Sui has also broken its daily structure, and okay, Sui has also broken its daily structure and now moving down. Unless it stops here and tries to move up, it is probably gonna go down and build its base further before moving up. So expect these coins to do anything in this area. जैसा कि मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ कि mean reverting market state में market can continue to chop sideways in whatever fashion and build its way back towards going into, so it can has that energy, it has that accumulation, because यहाँ से it can very well go up, but probabilities हमें ये बता रही हैं कि it is not, क्योंकि there are a lot of things जो कि suggest कर रहे हैं, जो कि again I'm covering from many days. इसी तरह से total to well, looking not looking good. Total 3 not looking good. Okay. So now we're gonna move into the data to see what do we have. सबसे पहले I went through the glitch in the matrix dashboard. इस dashboard का link आपको description में provide किया जाएगा. ये dashboard आप check कर सकते हैं. The thing is कि यहाँ पे I have added all a whole bunch of different indicators. Some of them are trend following, mean reverting. I haven't got any chance to sort them out, but the thing is कि I know what they are and what is important to look at, और ये मैं यहाँ पे discuss करूँगा जो भी daily basis पे important होगा. It is your job to try to understand that what do I mean and how am I doing the analysis on all of these different metrics. So यहाँ पे you can open this for yourself, और अगर आप किसी भी metric के बारे में मुझे बात करते सुनो, if I'm taking it from here, you can check it out. So, yeah, today I'm gonna go through a few. I have actually a lot of indicators I want to go through because I want to see what do we have in the market और हमारे पास क्या indication है to make the best possible choices. First thing, BTC Smart DCA. This is an indicator जो कि basically हमें bottoms highlight करता है, but as you can see, even like the bottom, it not the bottom, it is the DCA period, dollar cost averaging period, के जिस period में you should dollar cost average your capital before seeing the higher prices. So as you can see यहाँ पे भी although it is giving the DCA signal here, but उसके बाद it is going on sideways for a very long time or even going down for a very long time. So this is a very high time frame view indicator, but you can see it is giving us the DCA period over this recent consolidation on Bitcoin, like this period here. So reasonable enough के this is near not the bottom, but this is a place जहां पे आप एक longer time frame के लिए अगर buy करके hold करना चाहते हो, like we all know कि 2025 is going to be the best and the biggest year, but 2025 is a long time, long way. Okay, 12 months. So 12 months में maybe the trending bull massive period are not gonna come in the first few months. Who knows? But still, this is again showing the buy range. I mean, this can keep on going for a very long time, but still, this is a very good place if you want to buy and hold for a very long time. But अगर हमें शॉर्ट टर्म में या मीडियम टर्म में एक्सपेक्टेशन लेनी है कि व्हाट इज मोस्ट लाइकली गोइंग टू हैपन, या फिर इफ वी शुड स्टार्ट डीसीइंग नाउ या फिर वी शुड रादर वेट, क्योंकि हमारे पास वी लुक एट every type of thing. Okay, long term, medium term, short term. So the market power did a change when it went down from this line, middle line. मैंने तब कहा था कि it can go down and stay down for a couple of days, a couple of weeks before हम देखें market को to find its bottom, and then it moves up, as you can see now here कि it has went down for a couple of days, almost a week, and now it is starting to go back up. लेकिन मैं expect कर रहा हूँ it to reject from this point and be more choppy, क्योंकि हम expect करें again liquidity. There is no liquidity in the market right now, and macroeconomical information के मुताबिक this chop is gonna go around for a few, at least a couple of months, जो कि हम expect करें. So yeah, this is sort of a bottom signal as well, but an area जहाँ पे you can expect के okay, we are going to see the higher prices going further into the future, as you can see इसके historical behavior से, but it can still chop around for a little while. Then we're gonna see Bitcoin bull and bear market cycle indicator, which was in a bullish state, now moving down and sideways a little. So expected to go sideways before we see massive increase. इससे आप ये भी देख सकते हो कि we haven't had such massive increase, जिससे हमें ये पता चलता है कि this is nowhere near the absolute top. Even overheated bull period भी यहाँ पे नहीं आया, as you can see कि we had those periods here at local tops, and we इस metric के मुताबिक we didn't even have any local top. So yeah, expected to move sideways. This is a good signal as well over a longer time frame. Then I'm gonna fuck this off. We'll start from here. Okay, short-term holders, SOPR multiples, 30-day DMA and 30-day MA and 365 day MA. So short-term holders sell in profit, and this is short-term holders sell in losses, which is kind of you would say a trending, and between the trending periods, a pullback indication type of period. So as you can see here, short-term holders are selling in profit, जिसका मतलब कि there is not still enough pain in the market, जो कि again I was saying from a few days कि I want to see more pain, and I want to see something like as you can see, this moving average is not even like, if I zoom in, this moving average is very high still. I want to see it roll down and show some indication like you would say like here, even this and even this. Yep, here's something like this, 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 yeah, this. Okay, so yeah, I would want to see something like this. जिसका मतलब ये होगा कि now people are like really capitulating, because people are not capitulating. Everyone is still in belief कि oh, we're gonna go next leg up, and they're all wrong. I was the first one to say that we have entered into the mean reverting market state, and I'm strong on my belief, and I'm protected by my systems even if I'm wrong. So retail investors volume also sort of a bottoming signal, but as you can see, it can still continue to go down. Might take a few more days or weeks to go somewhere in this range according to this, and chop around a little. So this would take us to mid January to February, early February. जिसके बाद it will be ready to rise up. So that is what you can expect from this. Then we have realized profit and loss ratio. What did I want to see here? Nope. UTX, I want to get rid of that, and yeah, you can see the top signal, it has went all the way down to the bottom. So this is one indication as well, which is good to see. But as you can see, even when it is bottoming, it does not mean that this is the bottom. This is more of a top detection type of indicator. And yeah, local peaks here, all the way here, like local peaks. So I don't know why I pulled it up, but this is not useful in the current moment to form any expectation. And market stablecoin market capitalization change and price of Bitcoin. So this is moving down, indicating a bottoming signal, but I want to see it go further down. Something like I want to see something like this. This is very noisy. Do I have any simple moving average? Yeah, I do have. So अगर हम सिंपल मूविंग एवरेज को देखें एंड 60-day market cap change, it is absolutely very high right now. I would want to see it go down, move down somewhere here again, and then maybe move up, or maybe even go somewhere around here. As you can see, it can go down very fast as well, but not even like fast. We are talking about a few months. If we talk about here, and then we talk about here, at least a few months it is going to take. And what the fuck was that? Market was rising, but still gone market already. So yeah, expected to go down again a few weeks, a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. I don't know. Lekin we are not in the trending period, and we don't expect any trending period very soon. Then new money coming in, which is dropping down into the negative state, which can also indicate bottom if it goes significantly down. I would say it is -10 range. अगर -10 range पे जाता है तो it will be a good sign. I also expect it to go down, और तब तक expect market to also chop around and maybe even like flush down a little before it starts to move back up. So now we have covered that. Still, binary CDD is very high. Again, if we consolidate, it is going to allow some of these metrics to cool down a little before moving back up. So a lot of overheated signals, a lot of overheated indicators जो कि ये हमें बताते हैं कि we are not ready for the next leg up, and a lot of those indicators जो मैंने cover किया about the bottoms, about वो भी ये indicate कर रहे हैं कि they are gonna need some more time to reach that threshold. So expect जो कि मैं काफी देर से कह रहा हूँ, expect any kind of fuckery through this range before we can build our way back up, and even expect market to go down further, maybe somewhere in this range. Expect market to go down, okay? क्योंकि there is not enough pain, maybe it is going to go down and then build its way back up. Something like this you can expect to see. You can expect. Let me see. I'm sick and tired of using this pen. So expect something within this range. Okay, something maybe sweep low and then move up and compel. I mean, मैं ज़्यादा लंबा कर रहा हूँ. Sweep low and compel everyone that we're gonna go down somewhere here and then move back up. Well, people get long again and then move down, nuke them again, and then holy shit, we go. So 2025 is a long way. Okay, long way. Expect something like this. Expect something like this. Okay, और ये मैं बहुत देर से कह रहा हूँ कि expect anything within the ranges right now, because we are in a mean reverting market state. We are not trending anymore. So don't be fooled अगर आपको कोई कह रहा है कि we are trending and oh buy these altcoins, buy this, buy that and you'll become rich. Don't get psyoped. आपको पता है मास्टर क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स, मेरी डिस्कॉर्ड कम्युनिटी के सब स्टूडेंट्स, उनको पता है कि what is the current market signal और हम किस तरीके से navigate कर रहे हैं. So yeah, if you guys want to know as well, join the masterclass. Then futures open interest percent change oscillator still rise. It is started to rise. Maybe people opening up positions, long positions, and now they're gonna get nuked. जो कि हम यहाँ पे भी देखेंगे in the liquidation heat maps. Then power of trend ADX. This is also telling you that the trend has been exhausted, and while this is going to move back up, let me see. Okay, this, and then this. Alrighty. Expected to be choppy. Maybe wait for the this moving average to go somewhere in this bottoming range and start its cyclical pattern going up, or utni der tak this line is going to chop around a little, the ADX line. So I'm not saying कि जब ये होगा उसके बाद like उसी टाइम पे like take this as an indication. Yes, you can, but the thing is कि आपको approach understand करनी है. There is a reason मैं इतनी चीजों में like I'm going through all of this is because I aggregate everything together. मैं सब चीजों को देखता हूं and then I aggregate everything together to form the best probability कि कब मुझे किस चीज पे अपना कितना bias strong करना है. This is all the analysis to form the best expectations. So we, and especially like I can't get psyoped क्योंकि मैं अपने systems को follow करता हूं, but I do this all for you so you don't get psyoped. So nothing more in the dashboard. Then we're gonna look at liquidation heat maps to see. I went through them. Basically, yeah, there are a bunch of liquidations building up down. So expect this to go down to 90K. And if we look here, whoops, lagging. Yeah, you can see हमने 100k से above वाली liquidations को grab नहीं किया, and there are now bunch of liquidations towards these areas. So yes, I'm expecting the price to fall back to at least 90k. If we go to 2 weeks, you can see fair enough 90k tak it is going also towards 90k. 1 month, is it necessary to look at 1 month, by the way? I don't think so, but still it is going to 90k. Now you can check for Ethereum, XRP, and others to see where it is going. Ethereum paid is around 3100 area, 3k area, which is aligning with this previous lows. So yeah, fair enough to say, okay, we're gonna move down a little. We're gonna move down towards where is 90k. So this range, और ये by the way जो आपको नजर आ रहा है इसको मैं last पे cover करूंगा because this is technical analysis stuff. So 90k, expect this to move towards the 90k and chop around and maybe like even flush down and do something like this before moving back up, or uske between it can very well make some higher highs and higher lows to compel people that we are gonna go up only, and uske baad it can continue to do something like this again before flushing everyone up and moving up. So expect any kind of fuckery. Okay, now we have covered this and this velo market volume यहाँ पे सिर्फ important है देखने के लिए, which is extremely low. Funding is well, nothing in that. The market volume is dead. So जो कि आप देख सकते हो market में, like the market volume is dead. So now we're gonna move into some technical analysis stuff to see and have a little market overview. So मैंने volume profile draw की थी, अगर आपको अपने previous videos देखी हैं, मैंने volume profile draw की थी from here to here to see where the most volume has been distributed, और आपको मैंने बताया था कि around this 85k level, here, sorry, 85 I'm saying, 98k level, this is the point of control previously जो चला आ रहा है, and you can see some pinning effect here, और उसके बाद decide होगा if it goes above from there या फिर below. So exactly वही हुआ. This is why I like to pull these things out. Sometimes मैं इनको रोज नहीं देखता, but it is I love to do it. So I love to do it because जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था somewhere here that you're gonna see some pinning effect here, और उसके बाद when you see it then you're like, oh, good to know. So yeah, you saw some pinning effect here, जिसके बाद market attempted to go above towards the range high, and now it is falling back and probably gonna go to its range low if it does not do an FTR. So maybe expect it to consolidate somewhere here before moving down if it is going to move down. But the best guess would be K market, yes, it is going to move down to 90k area to grab some that liquidity as well, and maybe it is going to go a little below, or even like somewhere around here, a wick down and then move up, try to break again going into the next month. So that is one thing. You can certainly volume ranges को आप trade कर सकते हो from the range low to range high, लेकिन as you can see it is stuck between like these areas. So volume profiles being front ran from both sides, so you have to be very careful again. Now अगर हम इथेरियम पे देखें तो इथेरियम की वॉल्यूम प्रोफाइल में it is right around that point of control. Let's see if it is going to hold or not. My best expectation would be it is going to go a little down, and then it all depends कि Bitcoin क्या करता है. Ethereum, ultimately Ethereum, if it goes down, it has to hold this 3k area and consolidate maybe somewhere around here and build its way back up. Lekin don't expect any massive moves right now, क्योंकि सब कुछ हमें ये बता रहा है aggregate everything together and you will see it for yourself कि what is happening. आपको people can psyop you, all the YouTubers can psyop you कि ये buy कर लो, like कि आप वो आपको जो टोकन बताएगी, स्पेशल टोकन बताएगी, it is going to be anyway different than द मार्केट जो मार्केट चाह रही है हमेशा वो होगा. नथिंग इज गोइंग टू मेक यू लाइक रिच if you don't follow the correct approach and systemization. Just bag holding everything to oblivion is a psyop. So now don't listen to those illiterate people. Kindly, for God's sake, if you want to survive in the market, take a professional approach. Join my masterclass and DM me on Instagram. You have my Instagram. Okay. Solana. Solana is Solana is looking absolutely horseshit right now. Yeah, so Solana को I'm covering from a very long time, but मैंने बताया था कि it was fallen back into its previous volume profile, जहाँ पे it quickly went back up and showed some strength. So didn't want to get accepted below there. Like again, it moved up and it started to move down. Solana really needs to hold this. Okay, this is like the most bearish chart you can see right now, and it needs to hold this and consolidate anywhere around here. If it is, if it goes down, if Bitcoin moves down, expect this to move down as well, unless it does something crazy like holding here. Move down. If it moves down, it you can see it go down to 145 easily, easily because I don't know. It is looking absolutely like this is not looking bullish at all for me. If I remove this and this, so you see if it goes down, it is going to revisit in this area at least 155 or 145. Then it will have to build its way back somewhere up, expected to consolidate more and do some sort of that. But my best guess would be okay, no, this is not going to happen. It is going to chop around, do something like this for a couple of months in a different magnitude, and then it can be ready to move up. Lekin Solana is not a play for me right now. I'm not interested in Solana because the best trade of Solana is behind us, and it can जो कि 20x हुआ था from the lows. It is not gonna go 20x from here. It can go to 500, 600, $700, लेकिन there are opportunities elsewhere. और जब Solana will outperform other assets that I'm holding, of course I will trade it. So yeah, now we're done with that. Now I'm gonna look at something like other things like Sui. Sui, as you can see, it has broken the daily market structure here. Let me see what is wrong. Yeah, here. And now it can move very well down. Needs to hold up. It was very strong, but you can see clearly the momentum has gone and it has made this lower high. And now if you see it make a lower low and then move somewhere here, I mean, that would be a good opportunity to exit if you are holding it from below. Or you can just simply exit here expecting this to go down, because if market consolidates, it is going to do something like around this range. And Sui, it has a pretty great setup. It can build its way from somewhere here, these ranges, somewhere here would be a good buy opportunity. So again, it depends on your systems. अगर आपके पास stronger systems है, if you have this in your RSPS, you would know, but you don't know because you don't have the systems. So develop your own systems, guys, and you would be so good. I mean, you are missing out on a lot of things. Then crypto total market cap dominance. So the others D. Test pump, test pump. I would say that this is most likely gonna chop around and maybe even visit lows and then move back up in the future and do something like this before, like not this much, by the way, before moving back up. But sufficient to say कि जो मेरा view है about market and the 2025 Bitcoin show market, the others dominance is no way gonna go to these highs ever again. So expect it to do something like this and then move down again. Or if it is going to move up from here, yeah, if it is going to chop around, expect it to do something like this. not gonna take the highs because this is the Bitcoin show. Everything is around Bitcoin, strategic national reserve, Bitcoin की supply, उसकी demand, then the game theory. Every single thing is about Bitcoin, and no one cares about any other asset, maybe Ethereum or some couple of like Doge or anything else. लेकिन उसमें भी like it is all about Bitcoin, guys. As you can see, alts are getting crushed right now. This is one which I was very interested in to buy in this area because it was showing a relatively higher strength, but it can again do something like this and move down into maybe this and then build its way back up. Grass, this is a strong token, by the way, very relatively अच्छी strength है इसकी, and is the distribution of this token is very good. I don't have any affiliation, or I don't like this token. I don't care about any token. All of this is trash for me. उसके अलावा, as you can see, the whole market is red on the day as Bitcoin has moved down a little, और ये मेरी prophecy fulfill कर रहा है, जो कि मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में बताया था. Let me see. Nope, not this. Let me see. Your altcoins will get wrecked. Watch this video on my channel. So यहाँ पे I explained why your altcoins will get wrecked through this cycle, because this is a Bitcoin show and it is going to continue like this. Bitcoin is going to move up and altcoins are going to outperform for a couple of days and blah blah blah, and then Bitcoin is going to consolidate or like do normal market behavior, and your altcoins are going to get wrecked. And this is the reality. I'm pretty confident none of your altcoins are going to make new highs. मेरी ये बात अभी से जान लो. जितनी जल्दी आप इस बात को एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे, उतना ज्यादा you can play this market correctly. None of your altcoins are ever going to make new highs. When I say none, there are going to be a few for sure, okay? But don't expect Celestia to do something like this, okay? And it is not gonna go anywhere near. This is going to go somewhere around here. Maybe if we ever have an alt season, okay? So it can move somewhere here, and then that is it. That is it for Celestia, okay? Or majority of your altcoins are gonna do something like this. और ये चीज जान लो, समझ लो, अभी से समझ लो, so you don't get psyoped into believing something जो कि कभी भी नहीं होगी. Don't listen to those people जो कि आपको like लालच में गलत और झूठ बताते हैं. You should know कि you are not gonna see like something like DYDX कि ये यहाँ से it is going to go 100x, and no, it is not. लोग आपको ये कहते हैं कि oh look at that, this was the like यहां से आप देखो कि प्रीवियस बुल मार्केट में यहां से यहां गया था, तो इस बार भी ये लो पे है एंड इट इज गोइंग टू गो अबव द प्रीवियस ऑल टाइम हाई, इतना ही ऊपर जाएगा. How degenerate of them. So nothing is gonna happen like that. Even something which was very strong like Akash token, as you can see from the previous all-time highs, it broke and went up parabolically, and then it has moved down, and this is just a lower high bounce before it is going to maybe do something like this again, and then in the bear market is going to go to absolute zero, and expect this from all of your alts. So yeah, now we have covered all the market outlook, analysis, technicality. Recommendation is कि do nothing. Absolutely, मैं बहुत देर से कह रहा हूँ कि do nothing. This is a scalpers market and we are not scalpers. The thing is patience. ये वो एरिया जहां पे आपकी patience टेस्ट की जाएगी again and again. You have to survive. Because again मैं बहुत बार ये बात कहता हूँ कि I was here through all these 8 months and I survived through all of this just for the sake of getting this. Okay, just for the sake of getting this. I survived not even like this. Let me draw that more cleanly. I was here all the way, fuck it, here ताकि मैं ये कैप्चर कर सकूं. So patient, survive through the chop. Of course, I'm not saying कि अगले 8 month तक it is going to be chop, but expect क्योंकि मैक्रो इकोनॉमिकल डाटा हमें ये बताता है कि एटलीस्ट फॉर अ नेक्स्ट कपल ऑफ मंथ्स नो देयर इज नो लिक्विडिटी एंड द डेब्ट सीलिंग इज गोना गेट हिट. I mean, the Trump has already delayed that, and there are no TGA rundowns right now, and the macroeconomical situation is like unsure. And moreover, going into the next week, we are gonna have further reduction in the liquidity according to some macro researchers, जो कि मैं कवर करता हूँ जिनकी ट्वीट्स जिनकी रिसर्च आज. आई एम नॉट गोना ओपन एनीथिंग बट expect the liquidity to decrease, and this can align with Bitcoin going to 90k, 88k, or maybe potentially 85k, and uske baad maybe we're gonna get some bounce back into the 90k area, and uske between we can chop around before we see any TGA rundowns and Fed net liquidity injections. So yeah, the best thing is to survive. You all know in my masterclass के market का signal क्या है and what to do right now and how to manage your portfolio. Just don't do anything stupid. If you are like holding something here, if you want to grab the opportunity, you can, of course, if you have cash coming in, if you have some spare cash fully not fully allocated, you can always invest back below if you believe okay we're gonna go up. We and that is the belief okay we have 2025 as an incredible year of bull market. So higher time frame pay you can do that. Lower time frame pay, the market is very choppy and no one absolutely knows के where it is gonna go. Just एक चीज की श्योरिटी है, absolute surety कि at least next 1 month तक do not expect. I'm gonna take this to Feb. So at least यहाँ तक do not expect some massive upside behavior. It can do any sort of thing within these ranges. So if you have some additional capital coming in, so relatively strength में जो tokens हैं and जो भी हम like systemized way से you can DCA them somewhere in the very end, and do it very slowly over 1 month, 1.5 month, I don't know. Um so just don't expect anything to go massively up. Patience is required. The survival is required right now. And short term mein what you can do is, of course, you can trade the ranges. If you see something pumping massively up, if you see like Ethereum, I'm not saying it is going to happen like this, but for example, if you see something pumping towards these highs, you can grab the opportunity to maybe short, because we know for a certain it is not going to go up like this. Yeah, if it is going to go further down, look at the liquidation heat maps, look at the volume profiles, look where you can possibly expect the bottoms. And agar aap wahan pe koi trade karte ho, just take the profits as soon as possible, because of course even if it goes down, even if it is gonna go down, it is not gonna go like back up like this. It is probably going to go somewhere around here and then move back down, and it is going to revisit that place to check the demand again and again before going further back up. So if you want to trade it something like this, agar aap long position, have your risk management, have your systems. If you had systems, आपको guess करने की जरूरत ना पड़ती कभी भी, but unfortunately you guys just don't like to listen to me. So DM me on Instagram to join my masterclass, where जहाँ पे मैं आपको recorded lectures के through further guide कर सकता हूँ. And yeah, so फोकस आपका फोकस अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टडीज पे होना चाहिए ऐसे मार्केट इन्वायरमेंट में जहां पे देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी. देयर इज वन सर्टेनिटी स्टिल, दैट अगर आप एफर्ट्स पुट करो टुवर्ड्स योर स्टडीज एंड बिल्डिंग योर ओन सिस्टम्स, आपको फर्दर फ्यूचर में सक्सेस 100% मिलेगी. सो योर फोकस शुड बी ओनली एंड ओनली डेवलपिंग योर ओन सिस्टम्स एंड टेकिंग इट सीरियसली फॉर गॉड्स सेक, बिकॉज मार्केट डज नॉट केयर कि व्हाट डू यू फील. And that is gonna be it. Thank you for listening, guys, and stay safe. See you guys tomorrow with another episode of Daily Crypto Analysis. Peace.